good squeeze? What the fuck was that? Ugh.
What is going on, guys? It is your boy Scott. Now today I kept my promise and I will be showing you guys what I got from Amazon. I have these 3 packages and these all have to do with the GoPro that I just got. If you guys did not see that video, card in the corner, wherever it is, go check it out. Pretty cool. I was super excited. But these, I guess, accessories will just up the production value whenever I go film with the GoPro, whenever I go on rides. So let's get right to the unboxing real quick. First package, I don't know what this is. First one is a lav microphone. This is like one of those professional microphones where you hook up to your camera and you pinch it onto your shirt and you have really crisp, really good audio. This is one of them. The next one is another lavalier microphone, or a lav mic. This one is a microphone jack. This one is USB-C. I don't know which one works for the GoPro, so I just bought 2. And well, if I don't need one, then I'll just return it. This is my SD card reader. Now this is my GoPro chest mount. This will allow me to have the GoPro right in the center of my chest, so you guys could have this view of me holding the handlebars and seeing up the road, all of that. So I'm gonna do is the screw. This is the mounting plate that you mount onto the harness. Hopefully it's good. On Amazon had pretty decent reviews. Right here is the mounting plate, and then you basically take this mounting attachment and then slip it on. So it clicks into place, and then you mount the GoPro around it. This is the mount. It sits on my chest, and I will mount the GoPro. Here it is. So as you guys could see, when I am on my bike like this, I have the GoPro pointing directly up, which is nice. It's pretty cool. It's actually really comfortable. I don't really find it uncomfortable right now, but maybe when I am sitting on my bike for 3.5 hours suffering, then I'll have a problem. So how about we go use this thing and see how it works.
Alright, so this is the bike I'm rocking today. My expensive road bike. Now, I might have to play around with the camera position because, well, I don't know how it looks. It is super chilly. It is about, I think, like 60 degrees, and not gonna lie, it's kind of cold. I don't know how well audio can hear me because it's pretty windy, but also I'm wearing a mask. Okay, it's actually fucking cold. Holy shit. I'm out here in a t-shirt and shorts. Oi, big bump. Corner. Yee. I'm the only one in short sleeves on the street. Can I blow through this? Can I get a good squeeze? Can I get a good squeeze? Hopefully the way back is actually easier. Tuck? I'm gonna arrow tuck. Here we are. Long Island City. Okay, what the fuck was that? Ugh, that's disgusting. Okay. What the fuck is that? That's not normal. Ugh.
Alright, Alright, I just got back from my ride and I'm gonna go edit all the GoPro footage that I recorded. Now, today was a bit tricky because it was 60 degrees, super cold, and there was about 15-mile-per-hour winds. And I was in shorts and a short sleeve t-shirt, I guess, which was not ideal. Other people that were riding had like their full-on thermal winter kit, and I was there like, I'm freezing. But that's besides the point. I'm gonna go edit the GoPro footage now. Later on, I'm gonna be hanging out with Sam. We're gonna go to the city. We are going to go take photos, and I think we're gonna also film some stuff for his YouTube channel. His YouTube channel will be down below. You guys can go check it out. But I'll check back with you guys when I am with Sam. What is going on, guys? I'm here with Sam. Now, I have not properly introduced Sam, so this is him, Samuel Tobing, my best friend since sophomore year.
That's right.
We've been actually shooting a lot today, super productive. We've been out since 2 o'clock.
A lot of vlogging.
A lot of vlogging.
Shotting.
A lot of photos.
Yeah.
I'll be posting some of the photos around here of him and also some landscape photos that I took. But also, if you guys want to see all the photos that I took today, my Instagram, my photography Instagram will be linked down below. You can check that out. Also, go check out Sam's YouTube and Instagram. He's a vlogger, cool guy, super chill, good content. He's going to the New York Film Academy.
That's right.
In 2 days?
2 days, bro. Literally.
2 days. So his journey starts real soon.
Woo. So excited, guys.
Yeah,
Can't wait.
Yeah, so today was actually a really productive day. Super tired. We've been walking around all over downtown.
Yeah, but we are right now at our last stop, I believe, and we're wrapping things up right now. And you guys need to subscribe to his channel right now if you guys are watching. And don't sleep on Scott because he's gonna come up real quick and y'all gonna miss out. So, all right, guys. I'll see you guys soon.
Later,
Peace.
guys. Thank you.